Hello, I am Sonja Rankin, aka Admin Sonja, and we're getting into the events for this weekend. So we've got some fun stuff coming up this weekend, and I'm going to share that with you now. So first and foremost, attached to this video in the comments information below, you will see Rankin's Fun List, and so right here we have my monthly newsletter. This is updated every single month, so you can use the same link, and it just shares some information, my featured park, because I love nature, love being outdoors. So there's that, and there's events that are coming up very soon. Here we go. As we go down, you can scan this for more events in the area. Down here, even more events later on in the month. Here's a little intro video that I have. You can just click that to play. This is a property that is for sale over in Crestview. Very nice. That price is actually $332,000, not $340,000. So they've dropped that price, and you can watch more information about it. Take the virtual tour if you would like. Down here we have if you want my recreation list, this is a huge list of all the fun things to do locally, some things you probably haven't even thought of, don't know exist. So I spent months developing that list. So if you'd like your copy, click there. As we continue down, get out of your comfort zone, go try one of these restaurants that are listed. And when it's time for romance, here are my top romantic restaurants. You can check out their menus and consider going out for that special holiday. As we continue down, if you're past, present, military, here is a little buying guide if you've ever had interest in buying a home, or you bought a home before but it's been a while and you really want to refresh the process. You can click there to get my guide. Real estate stuff, real estate stuff, real estate stuff. If you're not interested, just pass it by. No worries. Some market information. Then we have fun things to do on Valentine's Day. A couple ideas to get you out of the box. And we have more my videos of Best of the Emerald Coast. So food, fun, all kinds of things, different parks, different ideas of where to go, where to take the kids, where to take yourself, where to take your husband, where to take your wife, where to take the dog. All right in here. So you can click that. If you're new to the area, it'll kind of give you an idea of different places you can go to make the best of living here, because it really is a beautiful place. Here are some events coming up that have flyers. We love flyers, so there's a bunch of events with that. Here's a little health checklist. You can have a little fun with that. Get yourself set up for success. And there's some properties that are currently for sale. We got 10 acres in Freeport, 10 acres in Defuniak Springs. If you want a list of homes that are for sale, if you want to sell your house, or you're just curious about what it could bring in the market today, you can click on there. And this is all just real estate stuff. So let's get to the fun stuff again. Here we are. This is the Facebook events page, and let's see if I can find where I am supposed to be right now. Do we have my events anywhere? I don't know why I'm not seeing them. Okay. Yeah, there they are. Your events. Interested in them. Okay, here we go. So February 3rd, that's today. This is Friday, February 3rd. And February 4th, there's a Mardi Gras celebration over in Duke Field. You can check that out. And then we have a cancer freeze tomorrow. So we're going to freeze up some cancer, get that out of here over at the Piggly Wiggly. And you can check that out. That's over in Florala, Alabama. Don't really know why that popped up here. We try to keep it a little bit more local. But goodness gracious, tomorrow, Saturday, at 9 a.m., there's the Galentine's Day Chautauqua Winery little festival they have over there. Go check this out. This place has the best wine. We're talking muscadine wine. It's sweet. It's very lady-loving. This is some good wine. Got a special lady in your life? Go pick her up a case. I guarantee she needs it living with you. It's a great place. It's a neat little winery. They've got free wine tasting almost any day of the week. You can just go in there and try a few different things. Very, very knowledgeable staff. And of all places, the wonderful Defuniak Springs. So win-win. Go do some wine tasting. Get yourself an Uber, go around that lake yard, walk around that lake yard. Have a romantic evening dinner over at Bogey's. Thank me later, you'll love this place. So then we have tomorrow, which is Saturday at 11 a.m., we've got Pirates of Lost Treasure Mardi Gras. And we can check this out if you are interested. That's going to be over at the Holiday Harbor Marina. Then we've got Today's Yesterday Band at Bama Slam. So if you're interested in some Bama Slam, this is another Alabama thing. But Bama Slam is usually a pretty fun event. So if you want to check it out, check it out. It's worth the drive. The Emerald Ball at the Hilton Sandestin Spa and Resort. If you're interested in going to a ball, because every girl wants to go to a ball, you can go and check that out. And then we have Sunday at 11 a.m., we've got the City of Fort Walton Beach Mardi Gras Parade. So those are all kinds of events you can check out. You can continue to check out other events here. Make sure you click on the link to my fun list. This is updated again every month and sometimes weekly to update different events on there. So check this out. This is a great way to stay plugged into what's going on top of Facebook. But another thing, going back to real estate one more time because it's just a reflex at this point. Here we go. So Sunday from 11 a.m. until 2 p.m., we're having an open house at this beautiful property. So this is 6012 Aubrey Lee Lane in Crestview, Florida. I'll have a little link to the house, a little link to more information on it. 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms on a cul-de-sac lot. It's fenced in. There's a huge fenced-in backyard. There's a big fenced-in side yard that's separate. And tall ceilings, granite throughout. I mean, this place is really nice, and it's a rare find with 5 bedrooms. And it is over toward the north side of Crestview. Definitely worth a drive. This is a neat place. So the asking price is $332,000, and there'll be an open house. So be sure to check it out. It's Sunday. Just swing by and see me real quick. See me and my team there, and we'll let you roam the place. No pressure. Come check it out. I think you'll love it. Or maybe you know somebody who's in the market. You want to peek at it. Take a little video for them. By all means. And also, my fellow real estate agents, you want to come out and do a promo video here? Come on. Tell your people. Tell everybody. It's a nice house. It's great content. So come check it out with me. We'd love to have you no matter what brokerage you're at. Come on, check it out. If you're not with a brokerage, even better. Come on, check it out. Buy this place. It's really nice. But most of all, you got to see this fun list. It'll help you just come to find different events in the area. And I think it's very... I take a lot of time preparing it, and I want you to try new restaurants. I want you to try new good things. And these are almost all the most top-rated places in the area. And big congratulations to my brokerage. We got Best in Destin for residential real estate, so we're very proud of that, to be Best in Destin for residential real estate. A lot of our agents work all over the place, including myself, the entire Emerald Coast, so it's an honor to be Best in Destin, so I'm very grateful and humbled by that. All right, y'all have a great weekend. Go do something fun. Get out from behind these 4 walls and enjoy yourself. Even if it's just sitting by a window, take a look outside and enjoy some life. All right, bye guys.